Is AST SpaceMobile NPA stock a good buy? You may have also heard that AST Mobile is merging with NPA acquisition to as a SPAC to list on Nasdaq or probably New York Stock Exchange. So the news has been around for some time now. As at the 16th of December 2020, it says here to the upside, New Providence acquisition rose nearly 11% after the blank check company announced plans to combine with mobile phone network firm AST Mobile, ASP Space Mobile, creating a company with an implied $1.4 billion enterprise value and trading under the ASTS ticker symbol. AST Space Mobile together with Vodafone of UK also unveiled plans on Wednesday, the 16th of December 2020 to launch the first phase of its space-based 4G and 5G mobile communication service in 2023 after securing enough funding to cover the 49 largest countries in the equatorial regions and 1.6 billion people. So much of that will also, you can also see that here. We'll see the link to this CNBC star site in the description box below. So the Midland-based Midland, Texas-based AST is building a network of satellites called SpaceMobile, designed to deliver broadband from space directly to consumer smartphones. Existing satellite networks require additional physical devices to connect to the services, such as Iridium mobile satellite phones or SpaceX Starlink's user terminals. So it says what we're doing is launching a space-based satellite network that allows any phone without any modification of hardware, software, apps, nothing to be able to connect directly to satellites. AST chairman and CEO Avellan told CNBC. So, technically speaking, is it a good buy? We can see that what's going on here with the news of all that. Let's see where it was on the 16th. So this is where it was on the 16th of December 2020. Surprisingly, okay, that's where it closed. Okay, so before that day, it was the 15th. So yes, it was at $10 30, and has since with that news, it's skyrocketed to $11.49. Probably this is probably close to 10% gain on that day, but since that time, and then the day after, it's pulled back, and then since that time, it has not abated. It has continued to climb. So for now, we can obviously tell you that a stock like this, that is way away from its closest trend line, is a buy for now. Indeed, NPA is a stock for the future for sure. It's NPA stock for the future. We're talking about serving satellite broadband for people, and mostly people who will, according to what they said on CNBC, people in the equatorial region of the globe. And that also includes one of the most populous countries in the world, which is Nigeria. It lies on that equatorial belt. So, what does it say? Technically, you can see a lot of things have gone on here, but at the same time as well, we can see the price rate of change is only at 31.5%. So technically, NPA appears to be in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is upward sloping, and the market is above zero. Comparative relative strength analysis shows that the issue is outperforming the S&P 500 index. Momentum for NPA is strongly bullish. The 14-period stochastic oscillator is above 80, the level which many analysts call overbought. This means that investors have been actively purchasing shares and driving the price higher. The imbalance volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers, and it's definitely volatile based on what we are looking at here. So since the 18th of December, it has not pulled back. So I would say if you want to trade the stock, just wait for it to pull back before you buy. It has indicated that it does pull back. As I actually pull back a day after we got this news of this SPAC merger with NPA. So I would say, wait for it to pull back before you join, before you buy. NPA is, yes, it's doing something highly innovative, so it's a stock to buy. Even though the price is quite a high one, and I know a lot of people prefer cheaper stocks, something cheaper than $13.42. Indeed, in the near time, it's a buy, so you have to continue to watch this space. And we can also, there's a good chance that if you can also see an opportunity to um, jump in during a day trade, so you probably have to watch. You have to observe it through a 1 to 5 minute time range. If it pulls back below maybe 50-day, 20-day trend line, you jump in. But for now, broadly speaking, I wouldn't say it is a buy just for now. It's not a buy for now for us, in our opinion, because it's highly volatile at the moment, and also it's in the pre-market of the 28th of December. It's also on the rise as well. See what's going on here. You can see it's up 7.82%. So um, don't be afraid of missing out on anything. There'll be an opportunity for you to jump in and buy. A lot of people who are there for the long term, or some of them are there for the short term, and also people who have the money to short the stock, they will also jump in and short it. And when you short it, it might provide a buying opportunity for you to jump in. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. If you're already subscribed, thank you very much for watching.